Hello everyone, I am here in this video to tell you what is Unacademy Plus subscription and how to get maximum discount on Unacademy Plus subscription. So first, what is Unacademy Plus? Unacademy Plus subscription is a periodical subscription where you get unlimited access to all the live classes of all the educator of all the subject for a particular period of a particular course. For example, if you take Unacademy Plus subscription of UPSC course for 6 months, you will be able to access all the live class for 6-month period of UPSC category of all the educator and all the subjects. And next important thing, that if you miss out any of the live classes, you will be able to watch the recordings too. What is the biggest benefit of live classes? That your questions and queries are answered simultaneously during the session itself. Now let us see what all courses are available on Unacademy Plus. The courses which are available for subscription on Unacademy Plus are UPSC, IIT-JEE, you can have a look on the screen, NEET, UG, SSC, CAT, NTA, bank exams, CA exams, railways, many examination, GATE and so many other examinations. Right? Now let us see how to subscribe a particular course and get maximum discount. So suppose we are taking up a CA subscription. We'll click on CA exam. When we click on CA exams, it is asking get subscription. Please click on this, get subscription. Now here you get the rate chart. If you're taking subscription for 1 month, this is 3,500 per month. If you take subscription for 3 months, it is 2,917 per month. The total comes to 8,750 per month. See, if you take for 12 months, the price is very low. That is 1,458. That is 1,458 per month. And accordingly, if you take subscription for 24 months, 2 years, the per month subscription charge is 1,167 only. Right? You can select any of these. Suppose I want to go for 3 month subscription, I'll select this. I want to go for 12 month subscription, I'll select this. Okay. Now continue. Now after continue, it is asking you for a referral code. Now see what is the price right now. The price is 17,500 for 1 year subscription. I'll write the code study at home. Right, this code is applicable for all the courses. Right, I am showing you only for CA subscription, but you can use it for UPSC, banking, SSC, railway, everywhere. I am applying this coupon code. See, 10% discount I have got, and from 17,500 it has reduced to 15,750. One more thing I'll tell you. You have 120 credits. See, it's written 120 credits. Every learner is getting credit for the minutes they are watching on Unacademy. Right? So if you have watched some free videos, lectures on Unacademy, you must be having some credit with you. That can also be applied and that can also result in discount up to 10%. But depending upon the credits that you have. The ID which I have opened has a credit of 120. I can apply it and get 120 rupees more discount applying it. See, it has been further reduced. It's now only 15,642 for 12 months subscription of CA course, wherein I can watch all the level of CA course videos of all the subject, all the educator for 12-month period. Right? We'll proceed with payment and we'll make the payment now. Thank you so much everyone.